Okay, what's happening here now?
This is our 65 Chevelle frame. We just pulled the body off of it. We're getting ready to blast all the parts off and getting ready to be sandblasted tomorrow.
Getting good at taking these A-bodies apart?
Yeah, we've done a few in the past couple years, and they're getting easier by the frame.
How does this one look being from Arizona?
The frame's actually straight, and from the little bit I took apart already, coming from Arizona, it's coming apart real easy. There's no rust or anything. I'm turning that so it doesn't.
You never know, man. You gotta protect. I hope you brought your cup.
I will protect.
That wasn't it. Let's see, did you wet yourself?
No. That was cool.
Did you?
Yeah, right, I did a little.
That one scared me.
Okay, disclaimer, tell everybody not to try this at home.
Don't do it at home. I'm a professional.
Right.